अनमोड घाटावयल्यान आनी चोर्ला घाटावयल्यान वचपी गोय-बेळगांव राष्ट्रीय महामार्गाची स्थिती सुदारपाची बेगोबेग गरज आशिल्ल्याची मागणी राज्यसभेचो सदस्य सदानंद शेट तानावडेन संसदेत केली। दर दिसा प्रवासी, शेतकी उत्पादक आनी गरजेचे सामान व्हरप्यां खातीर हे महामार्ग गोय आनी कर्नाटक ह्या दोनूय राज्यां खातीर म्हत्वाचे आसात, अशें तांणी सांगले। चालू आशिल्ली कामां बेगोबेग पुराय करपाची मागणी तांणी ह्या वेळार केली।
Sir, my subject is demand for immediate repair and upgradation of Goa-Belgavi National Highway, including Unmode and Solaghat section. I rise to draw the attention of this august House to the difficult condition of the Goa-Belgavi National Highway, one passing through Unmode Ghat and the other passing through Solaghat. These highways are lifeline for both Goa and Karnataka, supporting the movement of passengers, agricultural produce and essential commodities. At present, the condition of several stretches is far from satisfactory. The Ghat sections are narrow, prone to landslide and often blocked during the monsoon. In the recent monsoon, parts of Unmode Ghat collapsed due to heavy rains, cutting off connectivity for hours and sometimes even a days. In such situation, there is no alternative route for Belgavi. As the entire stretch passes through hilly and forested terrain, this causes great inconvenience to commuters, long traffic blockades, hardship to travelers and heavy economic losses. Goa has strong links with Belgavi for medical, educational, commercial and family needs. People travel regularly for treatment, studies, shopping and business. Nearly 80% of the vegetables and fruits consumed in Goa reach the state through these highways. With the new year approaching, it is important to keep these roads in proper condition. Any disruption will affect the supply of essential goods and cause hardship to thousands of families and traders in Goa. I request the government to urgently take up repairs and strengthening of these highways, especially the Ghat section. Proper monitoring, warning system and rescue arrangement should be put in place to avoid long blockages during landslide or accident. Chairman sir, I sincerely urge the government to speed up the ongoing works and ensure that this lifeline remains safe, motorable and reliable at all times.